So our farming operation here consists of a wheat, barley, faba bean, lentil and canola program with the main farming systems approach with controlled traffic, no-till. All our cropping land, we grow a crop on it each year with a rotation sort of comprising of 25% legume, 50% cereal and 25% canola. Ryegrass is sort of the pinnacle of grass weed control and one of the more challenging ones. There's a portion of brome and there's some wild oats, but ryegrass is one of the factors that we're working real hard to get on top of. The pulse crops are a key part to the program to assist in our grass weed control, or weed control in general, as there's an array of opportunity with desiccation and the likes, seed set management and a bunch of chemicals that you can't use in any other part of the rotation, which is integral to maintain efficacy on all the products across the board in all the crops. The clethodims and the past the event type options, or the ones that fix the problem once it's present, it's purely a numbers thing with those products. And if we can do something to reduce those numbers before that point, then we're going to see a better result. Ultro for us, we were really impressed with the length of control. It was probably no better for a period, but it hung on longer. And in different years, that's a pretty beneficial thing. We've had some chaff lines that have been sort of laid down there with some persistent rye that's continuing to come through, and we've chosen Ultro for a couple of these fields because it's a challenge for it and it's worked really well. We applied our Ultro at 1.8 kilos to give the product a fair go and get a good understanding of what its performance and season length is going to give us. We followed that up with a clethodim Innovix application to help control any of those later germinating ryegrass or brome grass or any other weeds for that matter. Ultro's hung on exceptionally well, and against our other what was more standard practices, there's a big difference between how it's performed over the course of this particular growing season. You've got to manage your weed numbers for your crop to flourish. Hopefully, because you've managed your numbers well, we get a better yielding crop for its efforts. Ultro's going to be probably the mainstay when it comes to grass weed control in our legume program. Lentils in particular, that's the crop type that we'll be probably targeting our Ultro usage on. There's other options in faba beans, so back to that mix and rotate conversation again. Ultro's going to play a part in that for us.